Let's wrap things up. To recap, you've successfully built an autonomous pipeline that generates a well-researched and well-structured newsletter using Markdown, a compelling header image to go along with it, and even a podcast episode. You've implemented a pipeline with a database state-based architecture. You've built the ingestion, ideation, and production phases, so 8 steps total, or actually 10 counting the podcast steps. You've implemented batch processing with parallel execution, added vector similarity search, and generated images and audio, all guided by AI. We learned how to do prompt engineering to improve results, how to safely use cheap and fast AI models for batch processing, when and how to use embeddings, how we can leverage synthetic data and utility scripts, how to combine deterministic with random inputs to yield varied results, and more. But this wasn't meant as a rigid formula to follow. You should now have a solid foundation for a pipeline that you can make your own. That might mean adding your own features and improvements, adapting it to your business case, actually publishing the newsletter or podcast, and so on. It's also impossible to anticipate every problem you're likely to run into. So the key is to observe the outputs over time and then implement whatever fixes and optimizations you need. And more than the code itself, I hope that you've embraced the agentic engineering mindset. Prompt, evaluate, iterate, all while being intentional about what and how to build. That skill will transfer to any project. You've learned how to use agentic coding tools like Claude Code, when to use plan mode versus edit mode, and how to use the tools for both brainstorming and coding. Hopefully, I've sparked some curiosity and given you the confidence to explore things on your own from here. I'm considering making an advanced course that focuses on productionization. This would cover things like publishing to Ghost, an open source newsletter platform. That's actually what I use for gammavibe.com. Using Docker, both in development and staging and production. Using PostgreSQL and pgvector instead of SQLite and ChromaDB. Adding an automated QA step to the pipeline. Building an admin UI. And deploying the pipeline on DigitalOcean or a similar VPS or cloud service. Maybe even video generation and automated social media posts to X, Blue Sky, and Instagram. So if this is something you'd be interested in, please let me know via email or in the Gamma Vibe community. Speaking of the community, it's in the early stages right now, but if you're looking for a friendly and supportive community of fellow builders, both other students of this course and developers hacking on their own startup ideas, I'd love for you to join us. You can find the link in the course materials. Also, let me know if you have any feedback on the course we just finished. Both constructive and positive feedback is very much appreciated. I hope this course was useful to you, and I look forward to seeing what you build using the techniques we explored together. Thank you, and hopefully see you again soon.